With technology that we have available today, it's very easy to use that to leverage your strength in an organization. What do I mean by that? I said, when you have finances, when you have money moving around, when you have large budgets, and you need to be accountable for where the dollars go, it's very easy to sit there and use one-touch technology that allows you to press one button, and at any point, at any moment, you'll be able to see where every dime is, every dollar moves, where it comes from, and where it goes to at any point in an organization. In today's business, that's not something that's a revolution. In fact, many companies, many organizations insist upon that because it allows them to make good, solid decisions and allows them to be accountable to their shareholders and the people they represent. Having a system like that in place at the NFL Players Association is something that's just essential and it just makes sense. It's not hard to do. There's many experts that know how to do it. Some of the partners on my dream team are experts at putting those systems in. In fact, they run that system for the back office of the military and many big companies, the healthcare industry, the medical industry, where there's a flow of billions of dollars. So they have to be accountable to every moment. I think it just makes sense to install something like that. You know why? There's never a question. It allows the organization to be a transparent organization. That makes you stronger.